Why we need in Pennsylvania transfer of the property? Property transfer in the Pennsylvania typically involves a deed. The deed must meet statutory requirements, be signed and be delivered to the buyer. Recordings, and then Pennsylvania requires the deed to be recorded in the county where the property is located. This serves as a public notice of the transfer and protects against the claims by the third parties. Here is a type of deeds. General warranty deeds offers the highest level of protection for the buyer, as the seller guarantees they hold the clear title to the property and it will defend against all claims. Next one is special warranty deed. The seller warrants only against claim arising during their ownership period, and so also quit claim deed offers the least protection, transferring only whatever interest and the seller has the property without any warranties. And so also here deed to requirements to meet statutory compliance. The deed must meet Pennsylvania statutory requirements, including proper legal description of the property, the names of the guarantor, seller, and grantee, buyer, and then signature of all parties involved. And we need also consideration, while not always required to be specific dollar amount. The deed should mention some form of consideration, for example, the value received. And also here delivery and acceptance must be, the deed must require to deliver to the buyer, and then buyer must accept it for the transfer to the effective. Delivery is generally considered complete when it deed handed over or through constructive delivery, for example, recording the deed. And also the recording the deed in Pennsylvania, recordings also county where the property is located is crucial. Recording does not affect the validity of the transfer between the parties, but serve as a public notice to protect buyer's interest against any future claims for third parties. County recorded of the deed office. Each county has recorded of deed office where the deed is filed and indexed. Once recorded, it became part of the public record. An effect of the recordings, we have some kind of impacts, like recording established in the new owner's right in the property and safeguards against claim for the subsequent purchasers or creditors who may otherwise have a claim if the property were unrecorded. And when we have transfer tax also in Pennsylvania impose real estate transfer tax at the rate of 1%, with the local municipalities often adding additional taxes. Both buyers and seller typically share these costs, so the terms can vary by agreements. Also, title insurance. The buyer commonly purchases the title insurance as an added layer of the protection. Title insurance has the cover legal fees and potential losses, potential loss, any kind of, if the title is later found to be defective, or if someone challenges ownership. And also here legal assistance we need, while not legally required, and many parties involved, the real estate attorney and title company, to ensure compliance with the all statutory requirements, verify the title, and complete recordings in the transfer smoothly. But overall we need a legally required person, judge, who has been working the judge as a judge. After this, they are working as a